Hi everyone, it's Alexander. Today in this video I'm going to explain my major project, which is interactive GUI interface with Arduino board. So basically I want to define GUI. GUI term is a common term in programming world, stands for graphical interface, graphical user interface. So basically, as you can see guys here, like for example here, the whole thing's here, the window, it's called stage, and the content inside of it called scene. So this is basically some things like in GUI world. Okay, so I use JavaFX to create my application, to create my GUI, like on other words. And what I did, like exactly, I went to the new, and then I create my JavaFX application. Or basically you can go to the JavaFX website and follow this instruction to start the JavaFX library up on your IntelliJ. So because I went there because it's gonna be easier for me, like everything will be ready. And so I use these libraries, okay, and then these libraries for Arduino. So to connect the growth port to the IntelliJ IDE, this is what we did in the whole semester. And then basically here's my application, and here here's all my variables, or my let's say my things inside of the application. Like I prefer declaring my things in the beginning, because my work will be more organized. Like this is for me, okay? Like I prefer all the time in programming, I prefer to declare everything's in the beginning, okay? And here's there's like a method called launch, or to launch the application, basically to launch the application here. And then once the application starts, okay, when the application starts running, everything under override will run, okay? Everything under here, everything here will run basically, okay? So this is like I will go over like for quick for all the whole code, okay? Here's the growth port. I declared the growth port, and I named the stage as window, okay? And here I declared my ports, LED, the external light, and the light sensor. I use light sensors because in one of my buttons, I will explain it later when I will run my program. And here's my button. I think I create 5 buttons. Yeah, 6 buttons, sorry. I create 6 buttons, and I create like button listener. So button listener relating to my light sensor. I will explain later when I run my program. And here and then like to show my window, to show my stage, okay? So basically let me run my program so I can explain like more details, okay, and make the whole idea will be clear. So basically this is my project, okay? It's saying project here. Welcome to my project. Dear user, click here to go to the next page. So basically this is the label, and here there's a button, okay? When you click it, you go to the next page, right? Okay, I want to go back to the previous page. What I'm gonna do, go back to the main page. Now you are in the main page. Okay, but like now we want to go back to the next page, okay? Okay, so now I have 4 buttons, right? Each button has different tasks, okay? Here's LED, OLED screen, and extra light. Like the most important button from here, among all these buttons, is the last one, the start application. So I create application growth board, and I connected to my GUI, okay? So basically now I'm gonna like click LED. See, as you can see, when I click the LED button, the LED will light up. And when I want to like use the OLED screen, I click it. It's saying Alexander. See, Alexander. It's showing Alexander. Okay, I want to use the external light. I bought like external light, and I connected to D2. Let me run it, okay? As you can see, guys, now it will light up for 1 second. I make it like for 1 second, and then it turns off. See? And now let me run my program or my application. So basically, my application, what does he do? My application is simply it's light security system. Like this system is like I saw like in movie, it's used like in the prisons, okay? When everything is dark, there's like, it's called like security lights. Security light, it has like, you know, it has not clear light, but like it's light for it's appropriate light for the eyes, okay? So basically now on OLED it's showing the light sensor reading the lights readings from the light sensor. And here also on the console it's showing the same thing, and it's saying like light is clear. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna turn off my lights in my room and see what's gonna happen. Okay, the LED will run, my light up will run. This is the security lights. Okay, see, and here like it's showing it's dark. Security lights work now. We'll start like now. Okay, let me go back and turn. Okay, turn my let me turn the lights again. Yeah, it's saying light is clear, and now the LED is turned off, and the same thing for the LED and the external light. And so this is basically my program, and I hope guys you like it. And yeah, and that's all. Thank you so much. It's Ali Shambo.